Meet the rhinoceros, a titan amongst the animal kingdom, known for its thick skin, powerful horn, and unique appearance. This fascinating creature is one of the 5 species of rhinoceroses found across Africa and Asia. The rhinoceros' distinct features are a result of its evolutionary adaptation to protect itself from predators. Its skin, which appears bumpy and thick, is actually made up of layers of hair and tough, keratinized skin. This armor-like shield provides excellent protection against attacks. But what about that iconic horn? Rhinoceros horns are actually made of the same material as human nails and hair. They serve various purposes, including defense, digging, and even attracting mates. Unfortunately, the demand for rhino horns in traditional Asian medicine and the luxury goods market has led to poaching, making them endangered species. Rhinoceroses are herbivores, feeding on grasses, leaves, and branches. They have a poor sense of smell but an excellent sense of hearing and sight, allowing them to detect potential threats from far away. They can run up to 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour, in short bursts, making them one of the fastest land animals. Rhinoceroses have a unique way of communicating, using a series of grunts, roars, and snorts. They live in savannas, forests, and deserts, and each species has its preferred habitat. For example, the black rhino prefers dense vegetation, while the white rhino favors open grasslands. Despite their tough exterior, rhinoceroses are gentle giants. They are often solitary animals, with males and females only coming together to mate. Rhinoceroses play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems by keeping vegetation in check and creating paths for other animals to use. Unfortunately, habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict threaten the existence of these magnificent creatures. Conservation efforts are underway to protect rhinos and their habitats, ensuring that these creatures continue to thrive for future generations to marvel at. So, the next time you see a rhinoceros, remember that you are looking at one of the toughest creatures on land, a testament to evolution's resilience and diversity. Let's do our part to protect these extraordinary animals and preserve our planet's natural wonders.